Automatic customer entry. One of the smart features of the system happens right when you create an invoice. When you fill in the customer details, like the customer name and mobile number, the system doesn't just put them on the bill. It automatically saves that person into your customer page. This means you don't have to manually add customers one by one. Over time, you'll build a complete database of everyone who has shopped at your office or store, making it easy to contact them or review their history. Tracking purchase history of customer. On the customer page, you can track the loyalty of your clients. For every customer, you can see the total number of purchases they've made with you. This helps you identify your most frequent shoppers. Monitoring total revenue for each customer. In addition to the number of visits, the system also calculates the total amount each customer has spent at your business. Whether it's their first time or their 10th, you'll have a clear view of the total revenue generated by every individual customer. This data is incredibly valuable for understanding your business growth and rewarding your best customers. With everything organized in one place, managing your customer relationships has never been easier.